Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to see and share your Spotify Wrapped on PC. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and search here Spotify Wrapped, and then you have to open this first link, and here you can see 2021 Wrapped on Spotify. So click the first link and you have to sign in into your Spotify account, and here you can see the 2021 rap list, the top tracks and artists of 2021. And now let's see how to share Wrapped. Suppose I want to share this, so click above the track and click on this three dot icon and click on share, and now you will be able to copy link to playlist. You can embed playlist. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.